Today is December 16. Magpupunta lang kami sa city center. Merong mini carnival doon. Mag-ride si Pen. Right? Spicy fried. Move your ear. Hi guys! Long time no see! Say hi, Pen.
Hi.
Where are we going?
Carnival.
Are you sad? So, yon, today is December 16. Magpupunta lang kami sa city center. Merong mini carnival doon. Mag-ride si Pen. Right? What ride do you wanna ride?
This, the one that I saw on the phone.
What's that?
It's called a spinning ride.
It's carousel.
Yeah, carousel.
Yeah.
So.
So yan, merong mini carnival dito. May parang 2 or 3 rides lang. And then, magla-lunch pala kami. Anong oras na ba, ma? 2 o'clock. Kasi late breakfast kami.
I'm so hot.
Medyo late na kami nagumising kasi Sabado ngayon. Medyo busy sa work kaya hindi kami nakakapag-upload. Pero yon, medyo gagawa kami ng mini vlog regarding sa kung paano ang Christmas here in Limerick. Hindi pa tayo mag-cost of living. Antabayanan nyo yung cost of living vlog na. Medyo Oo, 420. Parang year-end vlog na lang siguro. So yun, kita-kits later and wala pa kaming plano kung saan kami magla-lunch, pero yun. Mag-enjoy muna namin tong weekend kasi meron pa kaming ilang days for next week, and then after that, nakaliba ko ng Thursday. Ikaw, mama? Thursday din. So yun, simula ang start ng vacation namin ni Mama Kare ay December 21 onwards. Then we're planning also to go to Galway kasi doon yung medyo magandang Christmas market, diba? So yun, marami rin tayong binabalak na i-vlog and antabayanan nyo. See you later, bye! Ang gulo ng buko. So guys, may show pala dito. Ayan, may nagbabike sa ere. Layo yan. This is the Shannon River. There's Mama. So we're here in Dasco, Filipino store in Limerick. And bili tayo ng polvoron from Goldilocks and Mamacita. Ayan, Filipino products. Oh, wait. Ano yun, Papa? So yun, after ilang diskusyonan, nauwi kami sa Soba. What's that? Mugu watermelon flavor. Dali na. Kain muna kami. Order muna kami. And then, diretso na tayo sa Carnival. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. So yun guys, naka-order na kami. What are you eating, Pen? Pillows? That's from the Philippines. Can you believe it? Is it good? What's the flavor?
Great.
Great. Grape daw kasi violet. It's ube. At meron akong miss ko na Polvorot. Mama, can you ano? Can I get one? Yung isang box na yun guys, ano, 550 euro. Yung ano, cookies and cream. Kapag bumili ka ng classic, 850. Yung grabe, sobrang mahal. Pero miss na miss ko na ang Goldilocks Polvoron. So nag-taste muna ako sa cookies and cream kasi ito yung pinakamura. Tikman na natin. Oh, malaki naman siya, Oma. Kabi. Nakakami. Nakakami. Tap. Yan ang order ni Mama.
Get the shrimp.
Ayan, teriyaki shrimp.
Get the shrimp.
Teriyaki shrimp.
Get the shrimp.
Try to taste it. Tonkatsu with spicy fried rice. Oops. So, we're in the elevator here in Brown Thomas.
I don't want brown Thomas.
Why?
Catch the water wake up. And poo-poo.
Ayan naman si Pupu.
I mean no poo-poo.
Hindi na tayo pupunta. Gusto na tayo sa Brown Thomas. Sana may mahanap tayo dito, Mama. Garmin, no? Garmin ang mura, no? Can I hold your hand? Ayaw niya. Okay. Dami rin tao dito sa Brown Thomas. Ano yan?
Pwede sa banyo.
Banyo?
Yung pakakaggratin.
10 euro lang. Wanna try? What in basket? Sure, basket. Dahil bibili. Mama, ano na nabili, Mama?
Wala akong mamoy.
Patingin ng isa. Oh. Patingin ng isa. Ayan, pang CR. Tapos ito pang ano, living room.
Room mist. May parang ganito din ito isa.
Oh.
Tsaka kandila. Okay na din.
Mga
15
discounted, half price ano.
Yeah. Ito nga is 18 yung ano, original niya.
Mga 10 na lang.
Tara.
Na, bayad ka na.
Alis na ba eh. Ang bilis naman ng train.
Hello guys, time check 4:54 na ng hapon, pero madilim na guys. Ayan, ganito na madilim na pagka 5 PM. Papunta kami ngayon sa rides dito sa Arthur King.
that's for cold. Ay, nako.
So, nandito na kami. Ito, skating rink. Pero, ito lang pala yung rides. Ayan, may teacup. Tapos may bungee jumping.
Kain ka mo.
Ayan, dito tayo daan na. Mabutik dyan. What do you wanna ride first? Hindi ba parang nakakahilo naman yung isa? Ben!
I've been running around all over town. I've had enough of this. And to top it off, my favorite country music station's gone and flipped their lid. They're playing jingle bells instead of Friends in Low Places. That's totally insane. Cause it's November, not even December. We're still 30 days away. And this heat wave
Siya na next.
so dang harsh.
Go, Ben.
Christmas in July. Sure could use a nice cold brew, but I don't got the time. Cause I'm stuck here sitting in this traffic jam. Cause everybody's heading to the mall. And I'm pretty close to dying of thirst. I'm gonna have to make a call. Santa Claus, could you bring me a beer? Santa Claus, could you bring me a beer? I've been working all week.
Go, jump!
And I'm beefing out all day. This back on me, still got to shop till I drop. Stores are closing soon. No
Jump!
time to stop. Days
Jump!
almost gone, got a lot to do. Kids need toys, honey need shoes. Santa, if
Jump
you'd be so
high!
kind to help me out this
1, 2, 3, jump! Mga bayan na. Hindi, nakawak mo saan? Ha? Hindi.
I can pay you back or return the favor next week when I get paid.
Higher!
Stop by for a
Higher!
burger or dog if you get hungry along the way. As you're flying over in a big red sleigh, bringing toys of good girls and boys. I'll leave you a key under the mat, just don't make too much noise. I don't care what brand of hoot you bring, just give me that liquid gold. It don't matter if it's regular or light, just make sure that it's cold. I can almost taste it on the end of my lips. It's so dang good. I'm fading fast, so I got to ask Santa if you could. Santa Claus, could you bring me a beer? Santa Claus, could you bring me a beer? I've been working all week, man, I'm beefing out all day. Back on me, still got to shop till I drop. Stores are closing soon, no time to stop. Days almost gone, got a lot to do. Kids need toys, honey needs shoes. So Santa, if you'd be so kind to help.
Grabe, nahilo ako. Ang bilis pinapaikot pa kami ni Kuya. So yun, halos patapos na kami. Punta na lang namin yung mini market.
Ito mo yung buwan, oh.
Ooh! So, nice one. Crescent siya, ma. Oo, kita. So guys, last stop namin before we go home, yung ano yan, mga stall lang, no? Super mini Christmas market.
So, ito yung last year.
Oo, mas maganda yung last year. Kasi last year dyan din, doon sa pinuntahan namin na may rides. And may Ferris wheel din, tapos may mga stalls. Parang isang buo siya. Dito kasi kalat ngayon ngayong taon.
Kaya nagmamaliit.
Oo, kaya plano namin pumunta sa Galway. Nahilo ata yung bata eh. Ay, okay. Yan, Christmas display dito sa City Center. Marami-rami tao ngayong gabi. Normally kasi pag hindi gantong hindi holiday, hindi Christmas holiday, maunti yung tao.
Alam mo kaming gabi mo.
Ano oras na ba? 5:30.
Ay, panalo ka this, oh.
Merry Christmas from Limerick. Ito snow globe. Ay, meron pa dun, oh.
Ang dami pa.
May haba ng pila ata eh. Wow. Ay. Binato niya. Dito tayo. Doon tayo candy. Ayun. Dito tayo. At papabili yung bata ng candy. You want candy? Wow. Pick and mix.
Ito ko sa kanya kung ano.
Ano gusto niya? Wait lang, papa. Magbibidyo mo na ako.
Crystal Union, Small World, and
Video mo kami.
Oh,
I did the same color. Ay.
pen, oh, yun na pen. Show it to me.
So yun guys, pauwi na kami. Tapos na ang gala sa Limerick lang. Sa city center lang. Ngayon, enjoy naman. Ngayon si Per nasa loob, tulog yan. Sobrang dilim na guys, pero ano pa lang, mag-ala 6 pa lang. Ganito ang buhay dito. Kaya ano, medyo dagdag siya sa lungkot, no? Kasi ang bilis magdilim. Walang magawa, ganyan. Nagsisenti. So yun, tatapusin ko na yung vlog namin for today. And shout out pala dun sa nakakilala sa amin for the first time kay Ate Amy. Amy, no? Na-meet namin sa Dasco. Ayun, nakakatuwa. May may nakakilala kay Penpen. Ayun. Himala. So yun, thank you for watching and see you sa next video. Bye.